Hello guys, this is Amit Kumar from Patna. Today we will discuss about IPC section 379. It is very difficult to remember the definition in sentences. So I have developed very simpler formula to remember this particular definition. First of all, I would like to inform you guys that definition is enunciated under section 378 while penal section is 379. In order to constitute theft, there must be 5 ingredients of it. Those ingredients is written in acronym DMPC. If you forget this word DMPC, I give you a hint sentence like every DM carries a PC, personal computer. Every DM of each district carries PC. Here we have to remember that M comes twice. So let us explain each word of this particular acronym. So D means dishonest intention. In order to constitute the crime of theft, there must be dishonest intention. The second one is movable property. In order to constitute theft crime, we have to go for stealing movable property. We don't steal immovable property. The other M stands for movement of property. That means that movable property should be moved from one place to another. And the next one is being possession of others, P, possession of others. That movable property should be in possession of others. And the last C, without consent of the owner of movable property, we steal. I hope this will help you in remembering this particular definition. Thank you.